You're not going to believe this, but I just watched someone lose $15,000 in tax penalties because they trusted AI over a qualified professional. What if I told you the same tools promising to revolutionize your finances could quietly become your most expensive mistake? And here's the scary part. Most business owners don't even realize they're walking into a financial minefield. If you're using AI for tax advice, this video could save you thousands. Stay with me. What I'm about to reveal will shock you. Let's be real. AI is everywhere. It's fast, it's convenient, and it sounds incredibly smart. But here's the problem. When it comes to taxes, almost right can still be very wrong. I'm seeing successful business owners, especially women entrepreneurs, make critical financial decisions based on AI advice that sounds brilliant, but is fundamentally and dangerously flawed. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by tax complexity, you're not alone. The system is designed to be confusing, but you're here, and that already puts you ahead of the 99% who blindly trust the first answer they get. You're not just a business owner, you're an informed insider, and today you're going to see what most people miss. Let's start with a true story. Last week, a successful entrepreneur came to me in a panic. She'd used AI for her tax planning for 18 months. The AI told her to elect S-Corporation status, quoted IRS code, gave her a timeline, even told her which forms to file. She followed every step. Then the audit notice arrived. The AI had referenced a code section that was repealed 3 years ago. It missed that her business had passive income, making the S-Corp election a tax trap. It ignored state-specific rules that made her election invalid. When she asked the AI for help, it confidently told her the IRS was wrong and even generated a response letter. The result? $15,000 in penalties, $12,000 in extra taxes, $8,000 in professional fees, and 6 months of stress. That's $41,000 lost because she trusted AI over expertise. And this isn't rare. I've seen AI recommend cost segregation studies for properties that don't qualify, solo 401k plans without mentioning testing requirements, and more. The pattern is always the same. AI gives advice that sounds detailed and professional, people follow it, and then reality hits hard. So what's really happening? AI hallucination. That's when AI generates information that sounds plausible but is completely fabricated. In taxes, these hallucinations can be financially devastating. I've seen AI confidently state IRS code sections that don't exist, deductions that were repealed, and business structures the IRS doesn't even recognize. The advice sounds perfect until you fact check it. I've documented over 50 examples in the past 6 months alone. The most common AI tax hallucinations: outdated law references, fabricated IRS procedures, wrong business structure advice, invalid deduction claims, and improper estimated tax guidance. These aren't random errors, they're patterns, and they're dangerous. But there's a deeper problem. AI is becoming a new form of financial gatekeeping. When you ask AI about tax strategies, it defaults to the safest, most basic advice. Track your mileage, save receipts, take the standard deduction. All technically correct, but it misses the advanced strategies that actually move the needle. Why? Because AI is programmed to avoid liability. It gives advice that's safe for everyone, but ineffective for you. The result? You're stuck with generic strategies while the wealthy use nuanced, personalized approaches to keep more of what they earn. I've seen business owners overpay by $40,000 a year because AI never mentioned cost segregation, R&D credits, or advanced retirement planning. The wealthy don't use AI for tax planning. They use teams of professionals who know how to unlock the real opportunities. Let's break down the dangers. The confidence trap. AI presents everything with the same confidence, whether it's right or dangerously wrong. Context blindness. AI doesn't know your full financial picture, so even correct advice can be wrong for you. The implementation gap. AI rarely provides the detailed, step-by-step guidance needed for compliance. Audit risk amplification. Incorrect AI advice can trigger audits, and the IRS won't accept ChatGPT told me so as a defense. Opportunity cost. Every year you follow basic AI advice instead of advanced strategies as a year of lost savings you'll never get back. The cascade effect. One wrong AI recommendation can trigger a chain of mistakes, compounding your risk and your losses. So how do you use AI safely? Use AI for education, not execution. Let it help you understand concepts, but never implement strategies without professional verification. Always verify with official sources. If AI references a tax rule, check the IRS website or official publications. Ask specific, detailed questions to get better answers. But remember, even perfect questions can't overcome AI's limitations. Use AI to prepare for meetings with your CPA, not to replace them. Never use AI for anything involving deadlines, compliance, or legal requirements. Be especially cautious with complex strategies. AI is the most likely to get these wrong. Understand that AI's training data is always behind the latest law changes. Never rely on AI for audit defense or IRS communications. Look, AI will keep getting better, but the future is not AI versus humans. It's AI working alongside qualified professionals. The best results come from combining AI's efficiency with human expertise. The ultra wealthy already know this. They use technology to enhance, not replace, their strategy. Here's the truth. 99.5% of the tax laws are written for you, not against you. The tax code is a roadmap, not a punishment. The IRS isn't your enemy, but will happily take what you give it. The wealthy don't use different rules, they just use the rule differently, and every small business owner deserves to save like the big guys. Most business owners are trusting AI with their finances and don't realize the risk. Every day you rely on AI alone, you're leaving money on the table, or worse, risking penalties. Now you know how to use AI safely and where to draw the line. The question is, will you keep following generic advice, or will you step up and use the same strategies the wealthy use? But here's what you still don't know. The IRS just announced sweeping tax changes for 2026 that will impact every business owner. These aren't just minor bracket tweaks. These are opportunities and risks that could mean the difference between saving $10,000 or losing it. Most CPAs aren't even talking about it yet, and AI definitely isn't up to speed. If you want to know exactly what's changing, how to position your business, and the 7 strategies you need to save $10,000 or more next year, watch the next video. I'll break down the new IRS rules, the hidden opportunities, and the action steps you need to take before it's too late. Don't let these changes take you off guard. Click through now and get ahead of the curve, because it's not what you make, it's what you keep. So keep more.